Hi everyone. In my last video of tenses, we have seen about the types of tenses, subject verb agreement, helping verb, and the syntax of all the affirmative sentences. In this video, we are looking on the negative and interrogative syntax. If you haven't watched the part 1 of tenses, I suggest you to watch that part first so that ये part आपके लिए काफी easy हो जाए. Also, in that part, I have given you some questions. So we will discuss the answer of those questions in this video. First, let us discuss the answer. After that, we are going to start with the tenses. So the question was, you had to identify the error in the sentences and also to determine their tense. The first question is, when I opened my eyes, I see lots of gifts in front of me. This was the original question. The correct answer would be saw in place of see, and the tense is past indefinite tense. Every morning she waking up early and gets ready for work. This was very easy. She wakes up early and not waking. The tense is present indefinite. She wearing a lehenga. There was helping verb missing in the sentence. So we should add helping verb in the sentence and it will be like, she was wearing a lehenga designed by Manish Malhotra. And the tense of the sentence is past continuous. Mahi is utilized her time. Now that we have seen it is utilized here. Okay, so either you can do it that Mahi is utilizing her time, or in the way that I have done it, Mahi has utilized her time. Alright. So in this way, the tense of the sentence will be present perfect. Otherwise, it would have been present continuous. Rohit has winning all the matches. So because the sentence has in it, so we will use the third form of the verb. Rohit has won all the matches. The tense of the sentence is past indefinite. Now let us start with our video about the negative and interrogative syntax of all the tenses. So we are starting from present tense. देखो प्रेजेंट टेंस का एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस का सिंटेक्स हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया था. सो नाउ इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर अस कि हम इसका नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव सिंटेक्स खुद से फॉर्म कर लें. जब भी प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर हमें उसे नेगेटिव बनाना है, वी विल ऐड डू और डज in place of s or es. Like we were using s or es with the verb, here we will use do or does. And once we have used do or does in the sentence, उसके बाद में आप verb के साथ में s es नहीं use करोगे, because वो s es already हमने do के साथ में लगा लिया. Do is also acting as a verb, helping verb here. So the sentence will be, affirmative sentence is Deepak works in an MNC. इससे नेगेटिव बनाना है, नॉट लगाना है, तो नॉट के लिए वी नीड अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो वो हमने लिया डू. दीपक डज नॉट वर्क इन एन एमएनसी. रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस रिमेन्स सेम. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हमेशा हम हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब फ्रंट में ले आएंगे इन द प्लेस ऑफ द WH वर्ड्स. तो हम सबसे पहले अपना हेल्पिंग वर्ब आगे ले आएंगे और बाकी का सेंटेंस सेम. एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क इन द एंड. So the helping verb here was does. तो does front में आ गया, बाकी का sentence same रहा. Does Deepak work in an MNC? Now see, first sentence के अंदर there is works और last वाले में interrogative में सिर्फ work है. It is because यहाँ पे हमने हमारा SES does के साथ लगा लिया. Next is present continuous. इसको नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए हम नॉट हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ ले जाएंगे. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, नॉट हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ में आएगा. ठीक है, सभी टेंसेस के अंदर आप देखना नॉट विल बी यूज्ड विद अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो ऐसे ही आई एम गोइंग टू शॉप अ लॉट व्हेन लॉकडाउन इज लिफ्टेड. सो द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर इज एम, तो हमने एम के साथ में नॉट लगा दिया. सिमिलरली इंटेरोगेटिव के अंदर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी शिफ्टेड टू द फ्रंट. So am and the rest of the sentence remains same. I going to shop a lot and That's it. Present perfect, here the helping verb is has or have. तो हमने not again has or have के साथ लगा दिया. She has submitted her assignment. She has not submitted her assignment. Interrogative में the helping verb will be shifted to front. Has she submitted her assignment? And a question mark in the end. Then comes present perfect continuous. This is a bit confusing. You might use not after been, which will be incorrect. See, तभी मैंने आपको बोला कि not हमेशा helping verb के साथ लगाना है. यहाँ हमारा helping verb क्या है? Has or have. तो not has or have, has और been के बीच में आएगा. Alright, that means just after the helping verb. She has been learning psychology. She has not been learning. The sentence should be has not been. आप इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखोगे that she has been not learning. Not हमेशा helping verb के साथ में लगाना है. Interrogative के लिए we will just shift the helping verb to the front. You need not to remember the syntax. अगर syntax याद करने लगोगे तो confuse हो जाओगे. Just understand the concept. Helping verb will always be used with the, not will always be used with the helping verb. And while making a sentence interrogative, just shift the helping verb to the front and the rest of the sentence will remain same. यहाँ पे देखो interrogative sentence, has she been. हमने वैसे अब तक पढ़ा था कि have और been साथ साथ आएंगे, but they are not couples. I haven't told their story to you in the last video. So ये couples नहीं है, तो हम इन्हें अलग कर सकते हैं. Has अलग हो गया because it's a helping verb और be अलग आएगा because be is used as a third form of the verb क्योंकि हम perfect और continuous दोनों का addition पढ़ रहे हैं. That means present perfect continuous tense. Then comes past tense. Past tense के अंदर आप not लगाने के लिए did का use करोगे. जैसे हमने present में do का किया था, so do का second form is did. Now that we have already used the second form of the verb, तो हम फिर से second form का use नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. First sentence में हमने लिखा था Himani danced well in her competition. That was the affirmative sentence. Second sentence, that means the negative. Himani did not dance. यहाँ पे हमने dance इसीलिए लिखा because second form verb का तो हमने already use कर लिया. Helping verb जो do था उसका हमने second form did यहाँ पे use किया है, तो दोबारा से second form हम नहीं use कर सकते. For example, I did not saw you. The sentence is incorrect. I did not see you. The first form of the verb, the basic form see. This sentence will be correct, that I did not see you. Interrogative, the helping verb is did, so it will be shifted to the front and the rest of the sentence will remain same. Anjali was looking fascinating in her red dress. Helping verb is was, not सीधा was के साथ में आ जाएगा. Anjali was not looking fascinating. Interrogative के अंदर the helping verb will shift to the front of the sentence. Was Anjali looking fascinating? The rest of the sentence is same again. Her husband had given her a surprise on their anniversary. What is the helping verb in the sentence? Had. So not हम had के साथ लगाएंगे. Her husband had not given her any surprise on the anniversary. Interrogative के अंदर helping verb आगे जाएगा. Had her husband given her any surprise on her anniversary? Perfect continuous. यहाँ पे had been है. Not जब लगाएंगे हम तो had और been के बीच में लगाएंगे because not हमने helping verb के साथ लगाना है. Interrogative के अंदर हम had को front में ले जाएंगे. बाकी sentence same. Tina had been learning French. Tina had not been learning French. And when you are asking, then had Tina been learning French? Future tense. I shall visit my doctor tomorrow. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हमारे पास में एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, दैट इज विल शैल। तो यहाँ पे हमें डू डज डिड कुछ ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम डायरेक्टली नॉट विल या शैल के साथ में लगा देंगे। आई शेल नॉट विजिट माई डॉक्टर टुमारो, एंड इंटेरोगेटिव में शैल आई विजिट माई डॉक्टर टुमारो। सिमिलरली कॉन्टिन्यूअस के अंदर कबीर विल बी मीटिंग प्रीति ऑन संडे, कबीर विल नॉट बी। सी, ये बी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट सिर्फ फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस के अंदर ही है। बी क्या है? बी इज द बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब, ऑलराइट, इट इज अ वर्ब, नॉट हेल्पिंग वर्ब। तो आप नॉट जब लगाओगे तो आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ लगाओगे, दैट मीन्स विद विल। तो कबीर विल नॉट बी मीटिंग प्रीति ऑन संडे। ऐसे ही इंटेरोगेटिव के अंदर भी सिर्फ विल फ्रंट में जाएगा, बी उसके साथ में नहीं जाएगा। रिमेंबर, will and be are not couples, and has and been are not couples. Perfect के अंदर Ragini will have studied the entire chapter, Ragini will not have studied the entire chapter. Will Ragini have studied? Helping verb front में आ गया, बाकी sentence same रहा। Future perfect continuous, they will have been playing football in that field, they will have not been playing, and interrogative के अंदर will they have been playing. All right, so this was the syntax of the negative and